morning. 2 Rams here. Tasha, Tony. We are on our way to check out a curbside pickup in Marysville. We got the trailer, we got the truck, so we will see what we got today. Alright, we got the tires all lined up here. And we got the fence loaded up in the truck. That's a win. Well, we got everything loaded up. The tires, we got the metal fence in there. We are re-hooking up the trailer so we can head on out of here. And we gotta load up the curbside stuff. I put it in a bunch of trash bags to make it easier to transport here. And it looks like our job is done in Marysville, Ohio today, folks.